Hello everyone, today's recipe is another vegetarian recipe. It's called asparagus and mushroom stir fry, and very simple, very basic, and a great side dish to any of your baked chicken or fish. So over here I have 20 stems of asparagus, and we also need 3 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of black pepper and salt, and then a tablespoon of minced garlic. And I have 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. I bought them from the store like this, very quick. And I've already washed the mushrooms and the asparagus. So here I'm just going to show you. To cut them, you have to make sure you cut off the hard bottom off and throw it away. And then so for this recipe, I'm just going to cut the asparagus into 3 parts. And I'm going to make sure I don't break the top part. I leave it intact because it's just easy to cook and it won't shred while you're cooking it. So there I'm just gonna quickly just cut off the bottom edges, and then I'm just gonna check and see where it's the hardest, and then I'm just gonna cut the hard part off, and then and the rest is really easy to cut. So there, very easy preparation to make this recipe. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan, and then once it starts to melt, I will add the minced garlic and give it a quick fry for a few seconds, less than a minute for sure, because I don't want it to brown. I just want it a bit glazed, I guess you could say. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, quickly add the salt, and then right away I'll add the asparagus, and I'll just stir fry it for a minute. And just to soften it up a bit, not too soft, but just so there, just for a minute. And then I'll go ahead and add the black pepper, and then give it a quick fry again. And then they cook very easily. We don't even need a lot of time to make these, and they taste great. They're very healthy. So there, I'm just gonna add the black pepper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the mushrooms. So with the mushrooms, I will fry it again for a few seconds, and then cover and simmer for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. So there, I'm just gonna mix the mushrooms with the asparagus and the garlic, and then I'm just going to cover it quickly, and then simmer it on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll just take the cover off, and then you'll see I'm left with a bit of a gravy, and I don't want gravy in this because it's just a stir fry, and I'm just going to quickly fry it on high heat. So I'll turn the heat up to a high, and fry the remaining gravy, I guess you can say, from the mushroom. And then I'll show you how it should be and how it tastes great. I mean, I'm just left with a little bit of a butter at the bottom, and that's about it. And then it tastes great. It tastes it is spicy because of the black pepper, but it's a good spicy, and the garlic definitely gives it a very strong flavor. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.